Walking around Tulane's campus and the neighborhoods surrounding it, it's almost impossible to ignore the picturesque flora that's all around. Everywhere you go, you got oak trees lining the streets, you got well-kept lawns looking beautiful, flowers, berries, bushes, all types of just beautiful greenery. Speaking of greenery, did you know that the green stuff in plants, the little pigment that makes them green, it's called chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is what allows plants to take in sunlight, water, and CO2 and make their own cellular food, glucose. Glucose also happens to be what we run on. Even if you don't eat plants, the animals that you eat ate plants. So in a way, these are responsible for the whole food chain. You know, sometimes I think about what if humans had chlorophyll in our cells and we could just sit out in the sun with a glass of water and not have to eat anything. We'd be green, but it'd be cool. Not only do they produce viable food for us, they produce oxygen, the air we breathe. Did you know that 20% of all the atmosphere's oxygen comes from the Amazon alone? That's crazy. What comes after that? My plant! Buddy! No! I'm causing deforestation of my own houseplants. Getting back to the point, I have this bad habit of picking leaves off of plants when I walk by them. I don't know where it comes from. I don't even think about doing it when I do it. And actually, a lot of times after I do it, I'll catch myself and be like, oh, why'd I just do that? Poor plant. Do you ever wonder if plants have feelings? I do. Do they feel it when you pluck one of their leaves off or call them a mean name? Okay, probably not when you call them a mean name. Maybe not singular plants specifically, but nature as a whole has a sort of consciousness. And I feel like that consciousness does have feelings. Take a look at the barrage of hurricanes that were thrown at the Gulf Coast recently. Nature's trying to tell us something. We need to do better. Every time I pick one of the leaves off and catch myself doing it, I realize it's small, but I feel like I'm, in a way, contributing to deforestation. At the current rate of deforestation, all the rainforest will be gone in under 100 years. Gotta love trees, gotta love animals, but mostly love trees and plants. They're beautiful. Look at this little dude. Look at that. If anyone tried to make paper out of him, I'd punch them in the face.